Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and meandering rivers, there lived a young dreamer named Amelia. From her earliest days, she harbored a burning desire to bring positive change to her community, to uplift the spirits of those around her. Yet, the path to greatness was not an easy one. Amelia's village faced many challenges: poverty, lack of education, and a general sense of hopelessness. Undeterred, Amelia believed that great achievement could be born of great sacrifice, and she resolved to be the catalyst for change. She began her journey by selflessly dedicating her time to teaching the village children who had little access to education. Instead of pursuing personal pleasures, she spent countless hours organizing makeshift classrooms, using whatever resources were available. Her sacrifice was not just in time, but in the comfort she willingly traded for the fulfillment of seeing young minds light up with knowledge. As seasons changed and years passed, Amelia's selflessness inspired others. The village gradually transformed as more joined her cause. Together, they worked to build schools, create sustainable livelihoods, and foster a sense of community spirit. Amelia's sacrifice extended beyond the tangible, transcending the selfish desires that often hinder progress. She invested not only in the development of the village but also in the hearts of its people. Through the ups and downs, she remained a steady force, proving that true greatness is rooted in an unwavering commitment to others. The village, once shrouded in the shadows of adversity, began to flourish like never before. Education lifted the veil of ignorance, prosperity replaced poverty, and the sense of hopelessness transformed into a collective vision for a brighter future. Amelia's story spread beyond the village, becoming an inspiration to neighboring communities and reaching the ears of influential leaders. Her selfless journey showed the world that great achievements, indeed, are born of great sacrifice. In choosing a path driven by purpose over personal gain, she left an indelible mark on the tapestry of humanity, a legacy that echoed the profound truth of Napoleon Hill's words.